Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 11th when I'm recording this, kind of in the later portion of the day, and the market continues to be weak. Now, I know today we've got a bit of a bounce, but these are all still day trades of what I'm looking at. If anything, the market, the S&P, bounced right off of this trend line, and I've had this trend line for a few months at this point, and perfectly just bounced right off of that. And if we kind of look at the lower time frames a bit, you can see that there was a bit of a level. So you can see that price, instead of declining right there, actually started to put in a little thing like this, and then we got a pop. So there were some setups here on the date, on the 5 minute, 2 minute, and the 15 minutes. We've been telling the Moxie traders to basically look for day trading if you guys are wanting to be active in this kind of market. And other than that, I've been cautioning that anybody thinking that this is a longer term setup, it's just not accurate. The Moxie indicator is still very far below zero. So this is telling me that any up moves are temporary, basically, and to really not believe anything to the upside. So I still think that, price is flagging in closer to here. It could still chop. It can kind of do anything, but I don't think I'm looking at the market as really recovering to the upside. The internals are still weak overall. There are a lot of stocks that are still moving down. The best case scenario is that maybe some stocks are moving sideways. For example, one of them that we went over in the session today, you can see Toast, and it's actually holding up pretty well, basically doing a flag right in through there, but it's still not in a buyable range. You see the Moxie indicator is still just not really ready yet. It might be close, but it's not ready yet, and I'm being careful with this market right now because we've really, I think, only begun the correction or pullback or something like that. Even if the market doesn't really go down, I think it's still going to go sideways. Again, Toast, kind of a good example. What if the market did something like this for a prolonged period of time? So we just keep in mind up and down for a while until we really finally start to see either the internals, breadth, something like that, start to get to an oversold condition and maybe something ripe for a longer term bounce or swing move to the upside. Now, of course, everybody's been talking about the commodities. We got silver and gold and all this stuff, and that one's getting a little bit long in the tooth. I can't chase it up there, but there are some other commodity things we just put a trade on, 2 trades. And so if you guys are interested in what we're looking at as far as things and sectors that are still going up, even while the market's correcting, and setting up from bigger charts, like monthly, weekly timeframes, coming over to the Moxie Trading Room, we do have always available here $7 trial for 30 days. And it would be great to see you guys in there. If anybody's new, come on in and just say hi in the chat box. Let me know that you're new, and we'll welcome you. Thanks again for everybody, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.